If you are a Flutter developer, this tip is important for you. Type string is not subtype of end of index, and I don't know what I did wrong. In this video, I'm going to share with you a cool trick that will help you to debug your code faster and find the right solution for your issue. For my case here, I have this screen here, which is a filter screen, and I want to choose a warehouse. Of course, as you see here, this is the code, and the problem is here. When I press this button, I'm navigating to another list, and I get the string or the name of this warehouse and store it here in this variable here. But when I try to do this, I got no data here, and as you see here, I have unhandled exception. Type string is not subtype of end of index, and I don't know what I did wrong. If I press Command and J to check the data type for this variable here, you will find it dynamic. So what to do to get the type of this variable here? The simple way is printing this variable but dot runtime type. This is going to return to you the type of this variable here. So let's hot reload, and here when I press warehouse and select one, I got the error, but I have here the type of this variable here, which is a string. So I know that I am okay. But what is the wrong here? The wrong here is that is a string not returning the whole object as I expected here. I expected that it's returning the whole object or the whole map. So I have to use this key to reach to the name. So I don't anymore. If I run again and select a warehouse, I should solve the problem. As you see, there is no unhandled exceptions anymore. Hi, my name is Ramy. I'm Flutter Developer Engineer, and I give quick Flutter tips like this and quick Flutter fixes for your code. If you need more of these short tutorials and fixes, please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you soon. Bye.